All right, fishing day once again. Back at it with the vans. I'm just kidding.
Back with the vans. Blake, did you catch a whale yet? What'd you do?
So for everybody that's came to see the best fishing channel, you came to the wrong place, yeah.
Yeah,
Definitely came to the wrong
place.
If you've came to see professional fishing, you've came to the wrong place. Sorry. Damn, there's the dam. Oh, damn. Oh, look at those abs.
My flabs.
Look at your boots. They're starting to grow roots.
He doesn't have any boots on.
Oh no, a bag of trash. We must go get it. Superman, hurry! Hurry, Superman! That bag of trash is stranded. It's gonna get away. Holy fuck, I'm surprised he made it over there that quick.
Oh, it's deep right here.
Oh no! Do it for the vine!
Come back.
Jack, come back!
Jack!
Jack, come back!
Jack!
I'm about the school bus catfish.
Slinging slasher. No, they're supposed to be. It's either a catfish or a sturgeon the size of a Volkswagen bus inside this lake.
Slinging slasher.
About 20 foot long.
The footprints of Sasquatch. Adam, the footprints of dog. I found the footprints of dog. Whoa! Almost slipped. Well, we came out here to do a fishing video today, but unfortunately it's the only lake open and it's the worst lake to fish.
These are facts.
Chicka, chicka, chicka. Now pass it to Adam.
Adam
up in the house. What?
Got a dick up in his mouth.
Oh,
wait,
shit, no. Dude, how's there a straight up clam that's alive?
Live?
There's freshwater clams.
Freshwater clam, holy shit.
I found ones that are dead.
Look, freshwater clam.
Put it back in the water. Good job, Dad.
You could use those to fish with.
Well, I already chucked it.
No, don't kill it.
It was the only one left of its kind.
Yeah, you never know that, Dad.
Hey, stick man.
Hello.
Somebody help! 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 Oh, hi, Mommy.
Hello.
What?
Another clam.
Really?
This one's gonna die.
All right, let's hook this up for some small, tiny fish.
You gonna cook it?
Oh, look, a couple clams. Holy shit.
Ow. Ah. Just shredded my fucking.
Come on, Blake. Watch your feet.
Yeah, for real.
Stupid,
my toe.
stupid. Oh, lordy lord.
A rock shredded it.
And I literally was just telling Blake to watch out.
A big old
Jesus.
gash in there.
Good close up for the camera on this one.
Imagine falling on those rocks.
Fuck that. These rocks are bad.
There's a gash going through there, but it's
Oh
all
my
bloody.
God. Do you want some water dumped on it?
I
You can
already
dump that one
did.
right there. Any
I
of those.
already dumped it on there.
Look at all those birds out there.
Chloe's a bird? Larry Bird?
Oh my goodness. There's like a sea of birds.
Oh, I see him.
Feasting on
Fish.
Yeah. They're being greedy.
There,
Good.
now I could see that one building.
Watch where watch where you drive.
Man, look at that building over there. It looks wicked.
this stuff.
Wait till we get back.
Okay, well, at least I got majority of it done.
Well, it's literally a sea of
we're letting them
birds.
get packed up and out of here.
I'm not leaving him here by himself.
And there's the dam.
Watch your profanity.
You have your poles over there still.
Leave them in till we leave.
All right. Well, the luck with fishing here is par for the course. Little to nothing.
Or
I think out of all the fishing videos ever at Millerton, there's only been one catfish caught. And that was like 2 years ago when we did that video.
oh, it's slick right here.
I am not going down there. Hold on, let me flip this camera around. Sir Douglas. Douglas is the dog, not the human.
It's the mud hole we were talking about.
This is the mud hole.
Okay, well, I don't like the mud hole. Let's get on out of it.
Gotta hear it down here. It's glock, glock.
Yeah, I'm good. That's probably going to wrap it up here for today at Millerton. Eventually, I do want to get into doing more exploration videos and going a little higher up, going to some of the other lakes that are a lot more lively with fish and everything. But that's probably going to do it for today, guys.